ng telepono ngayong hapon, nakikipagkamustahan sa ating mga favorite PBA players na napapanood natin noong mga unang panahon. Kasama po natin Abby King and also from the PABL, Roland Abilo. They are here to talk about the September 11th event here in Carson na pagsasama-samahan po ng inyong mga paboritong PBA stars. Joining us on the phone is Oscar. Hello, magandang hapon sa iyo, Oscar.
Yeah, magandang hapon din po sa kanila.
Yes.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung ano nangyayari sa mga paborito kong mga athlete.
Do you have a particular athlete in mind or?
Si Carlos Badyon, si Carlos Luisaga.
Okay, natatawa
si Flying J,
si Flying
Ota.
Okay, thank you. Okay, kamusta?
Si Carlos Luisaga.
Alright, thank you so much. Yes,
kasama ko po si Coach Caloy. Siya po ang mentor ko. Siya po nagturo sa akin ng basketball last year. So, healthy po siya. Bagamat ubod ng dami na po ninyang surgery.
Oh,
So,
okay.
at 8 years old, malakas pa po siya. Dapat makakasama ko siya sa Japan. Hindi lang natuloy yung game sa Japan.
Okay.
So, we had lunch together at
Saan siya based?
based na siya sa Australia po. Sa Australia.
Okay. Sino pa ba yung mga sinabi
And then with regards to Badyon, he was my former coach at Adamson. Okay naman po siya, naka-base pa rin po siya sa Pilipinas hanggang ngayon, but then he's already inactive sa basketball. Alam niyo naman, medyo tumataas na ng konting edad.
Yan. Alright. I think we have another caller, si Rodel. Hi, Rodel.
Hi, Direl. Magandang hapon.
Yes.
Tanong ko lang, kumusta na si Rudy Distrito ngayon?
Ayan. Kamusta na si Rudy
Okay,
Distrito?
we just talked about that a while ago. In fact, I met his daughter kanina doon sa Seafood City, Carson. Rudy texted me about more than a week ago. The first thing he said that he's with God right now. In fact, he always have the Bible with him. And then, tinutulungan niya mag-asikaso kanyang kapatid doon sa mga pansabong na manok doon sa Kabangkalan, sa Negros.
Okay. So, bumalik siya sa Negros.
Yeah, he's now in
And
Negros.
he's now there.
Yeah, he's now based there.
And his family?
His family is still here in Carson.
Okay.
So, Rudy probably could still come back here after 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
5?
Hopefully.
5 years.
Oh, yeah, 5 years. That was 5 years in the Mr. Chairman Abby King.
Alright. Paumpisa pa lang po yan ang ating kamustahan. We will be back for more on the show. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ng bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks.